Now this can also stand at this point, but this one is here, so it goes here, comes through this way, then comes to this point, down here, this place, and it goes through here, comes down to this point. Then now goes to the needle. This way goes through this side to this point, not from here to here. So like I said, threading this machine, the butterfly sewing machine, which is like the most popular machine in Nigeria, the thread starts from here or here. Anywhere your own is, it just goes to this point, down here to this place, then to this point, and then I'm just going to put the thread in it. So that's for the needle threading. Now for the one under, this is your one. Then this goes here, comes out from this point. Goes like this, and just insert it this side.